Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into the world of accounting with a twist of tech. We'll be exploring how to easily host the open source accounting software on an Ubuntu server using a ServerAvatar. Whether you are a small business owner or just love the open source tool, this video is for you. First thing first, let's talk about the accounting software. It's a free open source accounting software that helps you manage your finances with ease. From invoicing and expense tracking to a reporting and client management, Accounting offers a comprehensive solutions for your accounting needs. Perfect for small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. Before we get started with the installation, let's make sure our server is ready. So, to make our server ready, here are some basic requirements to host accounting on an Ubuntu server. You should require the Ubuntu 20.04 or a later version of Ubuntu. Then 20 GB of disk space, 2 GB of RAM, 1 CPU core. With this requirement, we are all set for the smooth experience. So let's get started by hosting accounting on a ServerAvatar. So first, you need to log in or sign up into the ServerAvatar panel. I already have the account, so I will be logging. If you don't have an account, please quickly create one. First step is to connect your server. To connect a server, click on Create and Server. Here you have the options for connect a server. Here you have the options like Amazon Light Sales. You can directly create an account or link your existing Amazon Light Sale account. Same way for the DigitalOcean, Vultr, Linode and Hedgener. Apart from this, if you have any other servers or if you are using any of these servers, you can also select a custom method. Here in a custom method, you have two ways to connect your server. First is with the IP address and root password. Second one is without IP address and root password. I am gonna select without IP address and root password, and I will also recommend it to select without IP address and root password. Then a server name will be a test, and next we have the options for the clean up a server. Here you can see the two options. Yes, if you encounter any conflicting packages, please proceed to the remove them, and the second is no, do not clean up. Select these second options when you have some important configurations or some of the applications running on your server. At that time, select the second option. Here are the base requirements for a connect a server with a ServerAvatar. 43210 port should be open for the incoming request. Public IP address, if your public IP address has been changed at any time, you can update in a ServerAvatar panel. There are the supported OS like Ubuntu 20.04, Ubuntu 22.04, Ubuntu 24.04. Make sure your server is a fresh server. To install an account or host accounting, you require a tech stack called Apache, that is the LAMP tech stack. Then here is the database. You can select a MySQL and MariaDB. Here we are going with a MySQL, and make sure you have install a Node.js toggle button on. Then click on Connect Now. Here you will see the two steps to perform on your server. Login into your server has a root user, and second is the run the below command has a root user on your server. I have already run this command and set up my server, so let's move toward that. So here you can see the test server. Click on the server, and then here you can see the options for the applications. Here on applications, click for the create an application. One name is accounting. Then we have options for to select a primary domain. Here we have the two options, primary domain and a test domain. Primary domain is when you want to host your application on your own domain. Test domain is the temporary domain provided by the ServerAvatar. So for this tutorial, I am gonna select a temporary domain. So give a temporary domain name as accounting app, and then go to the select a method. Select a one click method and then click on application accounting, and here you have to enter a admin ID and a password, which is the thermal@serveravatar.com. and you can also generate a password. So I will generate a password and I will use the generated password. Click on a create a application. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes to create an application. So here you can see our application has been successfully created. So click on a domain. You will be able to see the panel for the accounting. Yes, you can see the login panel. So yes, we have successfully installed the accounting on a server by the use of a ServerAvatar. See how easy it is to host any application by just a one-click method on a ServerAvatar. So if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment, subscribe, and please do not forget to press a bell icon to get the more update like this.